Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. So in this video I will make a review feedback about my trade which I'm done on 31 October 2022, which is the previous month, but I made the video right now because there's no time. And let's jump to the number one. In this kind of session which I'm done 3 trades, and let's see what is the okay, this is 60%, so 2 profit 1 get loss, and y is loss or y is profit. Let's see from the number one option. So this is my option number one. Okay, so I'm doing a sell option and I'm hit by a very big candlestick, which is a breakout and a confirmation of a buying pressure here in form of inverted bullish hammer. In this kind of consolidation, minor consolidation and also major consolidation. So let's go fast, and what I writing here. So the candle was inverted bullish hammer, longer upper wick than the body. You see the upper wick previous candle here. So I entering here. This is a truly a higher chance, a truly buying pressure. But when I'm trading, why I'm doing a sell option here, what I miss that we have to discuss right now, and what it should be done. Okay, it should be going call, not put or sell here because the context. So let's see. Okay, the area above 1 deviation lower BB, you see BB. Okay, here. So if price crossing 1 deviation lower BB, so that means something, some pressure, maybe fake breakout, we don't know, right? It depends on many things. So here was my technique. My technique was like using resistance based consolidation. So I'm expecting here is a fake inverted bullish hammer because I'm also see the closing price here, right? And here was the level of 61.8 micro. You see the trend is a little bit down, but I don't see here, I don't see the probability to minor consolidation at the time. So maybe that is my option, that is causing my option. So look at that here. The technique was resistance based consolidation, which means I'm expecting that the inverted bullish hammer is fail, but what happened was the pressure or continuation based pressure. So let's see what I wrote here. I make some changes here, like minor trend, major trend, expectation, reality, expectation, reality. So I got some kind of sense. So on the minor resistance of minor consolidation, that is the expectation, but the reality was the breakout of minor uptrend. So at the major, I try to follow the major downtrend, which is that is our mission, to follow minor and the major trend. But the problem is the minor uptrend in this case in control. So because of the consolidation, so in the minor consolidation you will find some kind of bullish strong candlestick. It could be also. So the important thing here was the entry point, because that is my mission. The entry was safe, okay, but the clue is what is the most significant. Okay, here the area already above 1 deviation lower BB and have PAOL, which is main price action on the left. See, here was price action on the left, here was price action on the left. above 1 deviation, that is a sign of doing buy. In minor consolidation like this, it also has high chance up, okay, back to the resistance, which signs by PAOL, which is price action on the left, and the pressure. I forget. This is could be also the buying pressure, right? When this is minor consolidation. Okay, not including this big candle, because we assuming that we still on this closing price. So, and of course here also, you see the gap, the level can be nice for breakout because it gets some kind of some kind of momentum, space momentum to break. This is the big level, 61.8. So that is, guys, and here's some upgrade from my notes, which is what you see and what you might don't see. Okay, so here what I see was major downtrend, looks like, okay, and then minor consolidation, yes, closing price not broke previous candle week, okay, expect inverted bullish hammer fake on minor consolidation. So the thing is, downtrend level, this is not closing, so I'm expecting the fake of this, and that is triggering my brain to do a sell option, which is PTS. PTS was the perception to sell, okay, and here was what I might don't see, not see, okay. So what I don't see was price action on the left, area above 1 deviation lower BB, inverted bullish hammer longer upper wick than the body, okay, you see, longer upper wick than the body, that sign of true inverted bullish hammer. Inverted bullish hammer still nearby the 61.8 with space to break, context in minor consolidation. So that is, I correct to read the context, but I'm not seeing this kind of space, this kind of wick, and yes, the trend is no trend on consolidation. So that is why. So the most significant, it will be this space to break, okay, nearby level, and then the body is not longer than the upper shadow or upper wick. So that's mean the PTB or perception to buy. The here I also have a probability, but it's on my own, it's not from the science. So I'm assuming that the perception to buy, it should be 60%, and the perception to sell is 40%. So that is why, because if we do a sell in the correct way, if we do some kind of sell option here, it will be not possible to win, okay. It should not 40, why I wrote 40 here, this should be 0, and okay, because if we do a sell option here, there is no space to sell, okay. So this is, even this level is not, so it's like clearly yeah, maybe no, it's not possible. So 100% it should be going buy, and we should not take this sell perception, okay. But you see, maybe I'm considering this because the consolidation, we a little bit hard to make a probability. Okay, no problem with that. This is still some kind of testing, okay. So this is the important thing, was be careful to decide inverted bullish hammer as a fake, especially on minor consolidation when closing price still close to significant level. okay, still close, even it is about it is still below the level, but it could be a breakout because it's consolidation, and has space to break with price action on the left as resistance. So that is guys, that's what I'm missing out, the wick, the space to fill the gap. Okay, and move the second one. So I need 10 minutes for one feedback. Okay, this is number 2 guys, and it's going ETM, or ETM means in the money means profit. Okay, so here what is the important thing? Where is what here? Where is this here? So minor consolidation in control after failure of bearish Marubozu and fake out engulfing on 38.2 significant level. That is the most important thing. You see, Marubozu. Now we have some kind of sign why now we have some kind of sense when the Marubozu is not working. Okay, this is a breakout. It should be a breakout because this is a level. It should be Marubozu bearish. And then why this happening? Okay, a Marubozu has to be big candlestick, but if this kind of candle happen in the specific level 38.2, this is micro level, and absolutely happen a bullish next. Okay, and then that's mean that this kind of Marubozu is not significant. And then what happened? It's probably inverse of the pressure. So here retracement, I believe this was a retracement with some kind of shooting star with lower wick small, and then it's against the major basically, but this is consolidation. So we should be able to read the consolidation after this 2 candle or after this 1 candle. Okay, after this 1 candle we know that the Marubozu is not supposed to be like that, like this. That means this is significant level, is a change for consolidation. When this happening, then the Marubozu is not really working, and then we wait for retracement because we against the major. I wait for the retracement, and then I do a continuation. Here it's good to do a sell option. Okay, and that is guys, so why I'm profit in that kind of option. The important thing is we now have a sense of why is Marubozu is not working. And then the number 3 was kind of out ETM. Okay, so the first one is out of the money, this was in the money. Okay, and then why I'm in the money, let's see here, save entry point and follow major downtrend. So this is basically only on safe entry point. The analysis a little bit risky because we against the strong minor uptrend in some kind of ranging or major consolidation. So I call it major consolidation because the major is, there is no limit with the major, right? We have to make a sense what is the major is. If we put this kind of alignment of the EMA as a major, then we have to calculate with the bigger candle. I mean the bigger, the much more candlestick, because this is only 1 minute. So we can also call the major like this one 15 minutes, okay, or 30 minutes, but not 1 day. Okay, that is so major. So this is basically like that, the concept. This is just a concept, right? why this is not working as a bearish, okay, and why I'm doing a sell option here, what my perception to sell and what's my perception that I might don't see. Okay, so let's see the important thing. The important thing was here. Okay, save entry and follow major downtrend. We already follow the major downtrend as the mission. And now this is the important thing, the PTS and the PTB. The PTB was perception to buy, the PTS was the perception to sell. What is the process that make me enter the sell option? Okay, first of all, I see the middle baby area. Okay, this was in the middle baby, middle Bollinger Band, which mean so many consolidation and ranging. Okay, price fake out bullish. Okay, engulfing, which this one bullish engulfing. Okay, but the closing price, you see, not crossing the round number. Closing price exact on round number. Okay, exact doesn't mean crossing. Entry level, entry sell, follow major downtrend, expecting minor consolidation between the round and the 76.4 micro level. So this is basically only three aspect. Okay, middle baby, fake out bullish, closing price exact on round number. Okay, so my perception is like the area is in the middle Bollinger Band and the trend major was down. Okay, this is only a minor uptrend. So in this kind of middle, I'm expecting that the price doing some retracement or doing some fake breakout here, because I'm following the major. Okay, here I'm against, but I'm against in the level, so I'm expecting like that make me doing some kind of sell option. And this is what I don't see after I doing that. So I'm analyzing again. So fake breakout bullish engulfing. Okay, I see that here, but my perception is not bullish engulfing. It's only some kind of fake bullish engulfing because of the area in the middle BB. But let's read first. Fake breakout bullish engulfing can be continuing or valid if minor uptrend was strong, especially on ranging when price are already rejected from one deviation lower BB. So this is important. Price rejected. Okay. During the live trade, maybe I'm not aware of this rejection, because in ranging, so reversal at 2 deviation, reversal at 1 deviation, it can hit the 1 deviation and reverse, or even it can hit 2 deviation and reverse. That's many possibility here. So that is why the important thing that I'm not see, if this was not rejected from this 1 deviation, it should be bearish. Okay, it should be a fake bullish engulfing because the area is in the middle Bollinger Band. So in this kind of chart, we can learn what is the strong trend. Okay, is this strong? Yes. Because why? Because this is rejected, so this was strong. This was the momentum of a strong, and that is why this is not bearish. When some kind of like this happening, you expect the bearish and it's happen a bullish, that means a high probability that is in the strong minor uptrend. Okay, so in the future we can do that, use that kind of situation. So this is like 50-50 guys, because it's actually a doji. You see, it's not, it can different in another broker. It can bearish, it can like this, but it's a doji. So that's happening guys on my 31. And thank you, and let's continuing to the next.